How to redeem offer code in Remitly. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Remitly is already installed on your device. If not, head over to your app store and then in the source bar, search for Remitly. Tap on Get and then install it on your device. Once the app has been installed, the next thing you want to do is simply open the app. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in here, enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on Space. Head over to Manage at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on Redeem Offer. So in this page, you will be able to redeem your offer code. In order to do so, simply enter the offer code in this section and then click on Apply Offer. If the offer code is valid, then it will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem offer code on Remitly app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.